Transitional epithelium is toward the inside of the bladder. So in this space up here would be the inside of the bladder. And transitional epithelium is able to either thin out and stretch if the bladder is filled, or it can contract and thicken as the bladder empties. That's why it's called transitional. And then we have the smooth muscle that makes up the wall of the bladder. This is called the detrusor muscle. So that's what the muscle that actually contracts when the bladder contracts. Yeah, well, I mean, I could technically flip the slide upside down, but I mean, I usually put them in this direction. But I mean, you can see it's very light color, where when you look at the detrusor muscle, I mean, it's obviously smooth muscle. It looks like muscle. Those are the only two parts you have to know in the bladder. So if it's not on the muscle, okay, and hopefully by now, if I ever put my pointer on muscle, maybe you won't be able to tell me if it's skeletal muscle or smooth muscle, cardiac muscle,